Hi, my name is Huzaifa and I'm from the support team of Tradetron.tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how do you connect your Finvasia brokerage account with Tradetron for algo trading. So connecting any broker is quite straightforward. You simply need to sign in to the Tradetron website. After signing in, a page like this would appear. Um, After that, just go to the top right corner where you see your name. So just click on it and you'll see brokers and exchanges. So just go here and click. After clicking on brokers and exchanges, since I don't have any other broker already added, I need to click on add broker, and out here I'll look for Finvasia. There it is. So once I have my Finvasia uh, broker selected, I will get four different options that I have to fill, four different boxes I mean. You have to put in your client code, password, and PAN number in the three of these boxes. So I'll quickly type in my client code and password and my PAN number. And after that, I'll click on save. And there you go. This is how you add your Finvasia broker account with Tradetron. So one thing you need to remember that when you are adding the account, you need to use the um, the the login and password for your Shunya account. So the Shunya account, that is the one that is the login and password that you're supposed to use. So after adding your Shunya account and password, it should be it should work fine with Tradetron. Another feature that we have added on the brokers and exchanges page recently is that you can add your broker, and after that it will also give you the information of when your token was last updated. So you can now simply have a look at when the token was updated, as well as you can refresh the token right from your. So if you receive an error message while deploying your strategy, saying that the token is invalid or the token or regenerate the token, you can simply come here to the broker and exchanges page, and you can find Finvasia, and you can click on regenerate token. So you click on regenerate token, and it will generate a new token for you. In order to test if you have done everything correctly, you simply open a new tab and search for itc.tradetron.tech. After searching for that link, a page like this should appear. You need to just duplicate this strategy. So this is a simple strategy that buys one share of ITC and it squares it off after 1 minute. So this way you can check if the strategy is working correctly or not. Um, so go to my strategy and you will find the same strategy here. So I will deploy it. In my case, I want to put it on live auto mode, which is fully automatic. And the broker I'll select is Finvasia. And I click on deploy. So after successfully deploying it, I'll go to the deployed page. And you see here is the deployment. So ideally within 1 minute of deploying it, a trade should execute where one share of ITC is bought and it is sold after a minute. Currently it will not execute my trade because it's a Sunday and markets are closed today. So during market hours, this should work pretty well. Um, Another thing is that you can go to this thing called partners, this tab, and look for Finvasia. So against Finvasia, you'll find detailed setup instructions. So you can refer to this document as a step-by-step guide to add your broker account. and it's that simple to add your account. So if you have any questions, or if you are not able to do any part of it, or if you get an error somewhere, you can just drop in an email to us at support@patreon.tech, and we would be more than happy to help you. I hope this helped you. Thank you.